Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going on a night point of view drive in Sweden with the new Nissan Qashqai e-Power. So this car has the unique powertrain, electrified powertrain. It's basically a combination of electric motor and the petrol engine, but in this case the electric motor is driving the wheels. So let's start with the design, and then I will show you, of course, how the car drives. First thing you'll notice is the new badge. Very nice daytime running LEDs, as they also turn into indicators, which you just saw. Side profile, 4 meters 43 is the length. This car has the lovely diamond cut wheels, e-Power lettering on the side. Let me unlock it once again so that we get the lights at the back. There we go. And this is the view from the rear. There's also an e-Power lettering here. But today's video is all about the night drive, so without further ado, let's jump on board. It's actually freezing outside. There we go. And now let me show you all the details here, where we have the new 12-inch screen, nice greeting, and yeah, well, let's see this from driver's perspective. And this is the lovely view from driver's perspective. As you can see, driver-oriented interior with a nice 12.3-inch digital cockpit and the main touchscreen, the big 12-inch screen. Before we go on a drive, let me show you the key. New key with the new Nissan logo. Looks quite fancy indeed. This is your gear selector. Put it to drive. Release the electronic parking brake, and we are ready to go. And we go in silence. So as I said, this car has the unique electrified powertrain, which consists of the electric motor, which is driving the wheels now, and the 1.5 liter turbocharged petrol engine, which is here to generate the electricity. And the main benefits of this system, obviously you have a great throttle response, you have the EV feel when you are driving the car, but on the other hand you don't need to charge your car, and yeah, well, you just fill it up. Now there's also an e-pedal. So when you press the e-pedal, the car will slow down as soon as you release the throttle. So for example, I will now release the throttle, and you see the car is slowing down. It will not slow down to a complete stop. It will slow down to around 6-7 kilometers per hour. So you can drive it with one foot, just like on the standard EV models. And I think those are some nice benefits. And as you can see, the drive itself, it's really smooth, and this is also ideal for the urban and suburban environment where you have lower speeds, because yeah, well, you will definitely see the benefits there. You also get the EV mode. So when you press the EV mode, there we go. Not only the electric motor is doing the job, of course, if you push the throttle a bit more, then the petrol engine will also be on, but it will not drive the wheels. So the wheels are driven only on electric power. There's also the B mode. Put it to B mode for more recuperation, you see. And I'm really loving the feel that this powertrain gives you. not sure if camera is catching it, but this car is also equipped with a nice head-up display, which has a bunch of information, speed limit, navigation, and the arrows that show you where to go. So go left now. And for example, look at this. Very nice and very instant response. And this 12.3-inch digital cockpit can be customized. So here we have more of a classic dial now. In the middle, the navigation. You can also configure that out as well. You can have the status and the layout of the motors and the charging and stuff like that. So you can see it now. Energy flow. And one cool detail, when you have the e-pedal turned on, if you release the throttle, the car is slowing down, and yes, it will turn on the brake light, but you can also see the brake light here. So for example, look at this. I will now release the throttle. You see, brake light is here. That's quite cool. Nice relaxing sound of the indicators. This car also has different driving modes: Eco, Standard, and Sport. In Sport mode, you can immediately feel the instant throttle response. And now we are going towards the highway to show you how it performs there. Now we have 70. So very smooth drive at 70 kilometers per hour, which is the current speed limit here. And now we will reach the highway. So let's see this. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the car. How do you like this unique powertrain? Here we go. Now we are in the sport mode, 100 kilometers per hour. So 100 kilometers per hour. We can also turn on the ProPilot, which is the semi-autonomous driving system from Nissan. It will keep us in lane and also keep the distance. Obviously now we don't have traffic, but if you have it, it will keep the distance. You see the warning, you do need to have your hands on the steering wheel, obviously for safety reasons. 7.9 seconds is the time to reach 100, and top speed is 170 kilometers per hour, and the driving feel is really good. And as you can see, the car is packed with technology. It is driving by itself. If you are often on longer road trips, this is a very good feature because it will make your life easier and much safer, actually, because this helps you a lot. You don't get tired that much. Yes, you do need to watch out and, you know, check out if everything is clear, but yeah, it's way easier to drive this way. You also have the information on your head-up display regarding the ProPilot. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Tell me in your comments, how do you like the design of this thing? How do you like this technology? And yeah, well, I hope that you like this night point of view test drive. Stay tuned for more. You can also watch my full review of this car during the day with more details about the interior and the screens and stuff like that. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.